Today we will talk about tubeless tires on automobiles. Now, this type of tire has a lot of benefits, and the tube tire, which has a tire and a tube tire, is now getting obsolete even in the smaller cars, the cheaper cars. In tubeless tires, the main advantage is there is just a wheel rim and then a tire, and air is filled inside the tire. So, in case you hit a nail, the nail gets embedded, it forms like a plug. So very little air comes out from here, from the sides. And you can safely drive, since much of the air is not coming out, you can safely drive for a few hours or even 1 or 2 days. And whenever you find that the air pressure is gone low, you can drive to the mechanic and he will repair this. And how he will repair? He will jack up the tire which has lost the pressure, and after jacking up he will try to locate the nail. If he cannot find it, he will put some soapy solution, and wherever he gets the bubbles he can locate the nail, and then with a set of pliers he can remove the nail. Once the nail is removed, a small hole is formed, and then he puts some sealant inside the hole sealant. So in within 5 minutes your tire is repaired. So this is another advantage. First is that air comes out slowly. Second is less time to repair. And the last advantage is, if you run your car at high speeds, due to the friction of the road, the tire becomes hot. And if you have a tube tire, you have a tire and then a tube inside, the tube might get burst. But since this type of tire does not have a tube, so it is more safer. Now what happens to a tube tire? In this, you have a wheel rim, then you have a tube, and then you have a tire. And as soon as a nail gets embedded, the air which is inside the tube collapses, the air comes outside, and the air comes in the gap between the tube and the tire. And from here, you fill the air on the side. Since the valve also collapses, on the side of the valve, this full air, which is now between the tube and the tire, comes out. And you get a flat tire. And immediately you have to stop, you have to jack up, you have to use the spare tire and repair.